Good morning, students. I'm Neeraj Prakash Srivastava in Department of Computer Science and IT at Anand International College of Engineering. In last videos, we have seen something and discussed about cloud security model. Today, we'll be starting with cloud security architecture. As far as the cloud security architecture is concerned, basically the cloud security architecture is a kind of design as per OSA, that is Open Security Alliance. It's a design to describe how security controls are being implemented and how the controls serve the purpose for maintaining systems policy in regard to maintain security in cloud system like quality attributes, confidentiality, integrity, availability, accountability, etc. etc. Now, if we talk about cloud security, the key issues which comes in front are some kind of general issues. There are various general issues related to compliance of standards, policies and guidelines, kind of information objectives, distribution of information, changing of passwords and keys, security controls, training of employees, their identification, their authorization, etc. etc. So all these issues comes under general issues. As far as the trusted cloud computing is concerned, basically trusted cloud computing can be viewed as a computer security architecture that is designed to protect cloud system from malicious intrusions and attacks. And we use such kind of trusted cloud computing to ensure that the computing resources are acting as specification as per specification and in predictable manner. There are few characteristics of trusted computing if we talk about, namely as multiple process running concurrently and trusted computing base. It contains total combination of protection techniques. TCB is also responsible for enforcing security in cloud security management. A trusted platform module always stores cryptographic keys that can be used to ensure operating state of platform is safe. If we see to the secure communication deals basically with three aspects, that is confidentiality, integrity, availability, etc. And the various terms which comes under this are network security protocols, network authentication services, data encryption techniques, firewalls, communication security management, intrusion detection systems, and fault tolerance, login approach, reliability, interoperability, virtual private network, remote access of VPNs tunneling, and of course digital certification. Public key infrastructure and encryption that you are studying in ISS is also a part of this particular secure communication system. Students, there is a term known as autonomic security. This particular autonomic security also comes in secure communication part, and basically it deals with automatic secure management in any cloud based system. We can say that it refers to some kind of security techniques which are based on autonomic computing, which are self managed. They are reconfigurable also and self healing. Autonomic security system is always a self managing system that monitors and changes the effect of the system, maintains its internal balance also. There are few events which can be handled by autonomous system, like malicious attacks, hardware or software faults, power failure, organizational policies, software updates, interactions among systems, unintentional operators errors. All these kind of events are being handled by autonomous system, and that is why such kind of systems are integral part of autonomic security. The basic aim of this type of protection system is to minimize the overhead requirements by optimizing security related parameters also and performances. If we see to the architecture of cloud computing, we'll come to know that this basically this is divided into four parts. As we know that the various services provided by cloud system are software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So basically, this has been divided into three parts: software security, as you can see in the diagram, platform security, and infrastructure security. Now, in software security, the various events or the integral parts are multi tenant access security. This is further divided into four parts, that is identity federation, identity authentication, access control, and identity management. Internet application security is also a part of software security that deals with viruses, spams, etc. As far as the platform security is concerned, that basically deals with framework, environment, component, and interface, etc. The infrastructure security deals with virtual environment and shared storage, where they deal with data segregation, encryption, and description. Apart from that, it also deals with virtuality of the system, virtual machines, virtual network, etc. There is a fourth unit which is associated with all these three, and that is known as auditing and compliance. Basically, it deals with the user management, authorization management, access, SLA, monitoring, auditing, and reporting. So, this is the basic structure of an architecture system. As far as the legal issues in cloud computing are concerned, the legal issues basically comes into picture when the data storage location is concerned. The physical location that is required to be known to the user, most of the time it is missing. It is very much required for the user to know the physical location of the data. We'll be continuing with these issues in our next lecture, next videos.